I used stretchy denim and I made this absolutely snatched to the gods denim dress. Hi everyone, I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. Today, I am sharing with you 17 ways to upcycle your old jeans, and they're going to range all the way from no-sew projects all the way up to the most amazing, crazy, insane jean upcycles you've ever seen. But I promise you that no matter whether it's a simple project or it's a little bit more complicated, every last one is gonna take your jeans to the next level. So I hope you're excited. Let's do it. All right, so we're gonna start off with the no-sew projects. I know you guys are excited to see these, and I have 3 of them for you. This is a project I recently did, and I love how it turned out. All you do is take some washi tape and some fabric paint and put a range of colors in a stripe on the back of your jeans. What a difference it's gonna make. And then along those same lines, you can take ribbon. I took some ribbon from an old work shirt that I thrifted, and I added it through, interwoven on the sides of a pair of jeans. Amazing. I absolutely love these. And then if you have a pair of jeans that is too big, I know whose jeans are too big. I like to thrift my jeans, but just in case you might be able to steal some jeans maybe from somebody else in the house, take some grommets. You can order these on Amazon. These are actually curtain grommets, and add them to the waist of the jeans and then weave your belt through and cinch the waist. It's an amazingly fashionable way to take a pair of big jeans and make them fit you. And then if you just want to do a little bit of sewing, I also cinch the ankles of these. And I'm gonna show you a trick that you can also do if you don't wanna sew. You'll take a belt or just a strip of denim and add it to the ankles as well. But this is an amazing effect. We talked about this a couple of weeks ago. Just cinching the ankles to a pair of pants or jeans is an amazing way to elevate that look. All right, say for instance, you have a pair of jeans that they actually still fit you, but you just want to update and elevate them. I definitely have a bunch of solutions for you. Say you have a pair of stretchy waist jeans and you just want to add a little pop to them. Why not take a color zipper and add it to the front of your jeans in an exposed way so that that color pops in the front? I absolutely love this one. It's really simple and it just makes a big difference. And then say for instance you have 2 pairs of jeans and you want to take them and make them tone on tone. I love the Ragged Priest infringement jeans so much, but I absolutely love mine better. And I just took the top of one and layered them one by one on top of one another and made this 2-tone effect all the way up and down the jeans. I did mine to suit my specific style and I absolutely love how they turned out. All right, so say for instance you have a pair of jeans that fit you, but you want to make them bell bottoms. Bell bottoms are definitely back, and you can absolutely take your regular skinny leg or straight leg jeans, add a triangle on the inside or the outside of those jeans, and there you have it, an amazing pair of bell bottoms. And as a matter of fact, if I didn't say, every single full tutorial that I am mentioning is linked in the description box below, so you don't have to miss a thing. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and hit the bell to turn on all notifications so you don't miss a thing. Don't keep all the love to yourself. Share it on all your social media so everyone knows all the amazing stuff going on here. And then once again, back to those stretchy waist jeans that I found a ton in the thrift store. Why not cut them off into shorts and then add a layer back up at the top to make them paper bag waist shorts, and then add a belt? Amazing. It's summertime and these are just perfect for summer. Now, if you're looking for something with amazing wow and you have a pair of jeans that fit, I definitely have the tutorial for you. I saw these jeans that Cardi B wore one time and I was just blown away. I actually made them as part of my Halloween, turn into Cardi B thing. But you guys know that as part of sustainable fashion, I'm not gonna make a costume that I can't rewear. So these are amazing and I've gotten a ton of wear out of them. And all I did was patchwork different pairs of jeans on top of the jeans and then removed underneath the extra. So I definitely have the full tutorial for that. There is a jacket to match. Go check it out. All right, so for all of those jeans that you have that are too big, yes, I know most of us are in a situation right now where our jeans are a little bit too small because of quarantine snacks and different things like that. But I know that there are a few of you that have been super disciplined and maybe you even lost weight. I mean, congratulations to you. But like I said before, you can definitely peruse your house. Get some extra jeans that are a little bit too big for you. And if you're watching this at a point where thrift stores are back open, you can definitely thrift for these like I do. So the first ones in this section are my signature, my Blueprint signature denim back blazer. I absolutely love this because it is my design, but I do have a tutorial for it. And basically I just take the front pair of 2 pairs of jeans actually, and they do need to be bigger than you because they have to cover the whole back part of the blazer. But I just think this gives this blazer an amazingly designer look, so definitely go check that out. And if you have a pair of overalls that are too big, then you can create the overall tank top, which I happen to have on right now. And I absolutely love this one because these overalls were screaming to me at the thrift store, and you know, they were super big, but I was just like, what can I do with them? And so I just decided to cut off the top, add a frilly like little layer, and create this tank top. And I absolutely love it, especially layered on top of things. It's just a perfect layering piece. And you're probably wondering what I did with the rest of that big pair of overalls. I actually made this top with it. It's a butterfly sleeve crop top. And yeah, this one I actually did for my daughter as well to practice before I shot the tutorial because I wanted to really make sure to explain it so that it would be super easy for you guys. All right, so for this too big upcycle, all I did was take the jeans and cross them over. They're called the crossover jeans and they're super expensive if you buy them online, but I figured out a super easy way to do them, and they just give a really kind of like streetwear vibe, and so I absolutely love these. And in that same tutorial, I have a way that you can absolutely turn a too big pair of jeans into a skirt, and with the same method. So yeah, you can finish that skirt however you like. I did an asymmetrical raw hem. You can absolutely cut it straight off, or absolutely you can hem it if you want to, but just follow your instincts, follow your vibe, whatever you're feeling, and make it just for you. So this is the section I know you guys have been waiting for because it's about what do you do with those jeans that are too small. We all have them, so what do we do with them? One thing you can do is gather them all together and make an amazing pair of like super baggy, super streetwear, high-waisted jeans. These are one of my favorite, absolute favorite pair of jeans. For one thing, if you have any type of food baby situation going on, these are the jeans that you want to wear. And so basically I just took 2 pairs of jeans, layered them on top of one another, added a 3rd pair down the sides, and just cinched them in the waist with a belt, and yes. So after all of this, your 2 small jeans, you're starting to cut them up and you just have pieces. And this is something that you can do with the pieces. I took a t-shirt and just kept the top of it and then added denim down at the bottom to make it look like a corset. I absolutely love this project. It's a super comfortable t-shirt, but just gives it a little bit more elevation. And if you're interested in upcycle classes, I do have a monthly upcycle class in the highest level of my members only group. Definitely click that join button below so you can learn more. And I also have a free Facebook group where it's a whole community of upcyclers that support one another, share their before and afters, as well as help one another when they get stuck. So definitely check the description box for the link to that. And then you can definitely take those jeans, put them all together and make a wrap skirt. I absolutely love this one. You don't have to find jeans that are exact same color like I did here. You could definitely do 2 tones, 3 tones, however many tones you want to do. Put those jeans together and make yourself a wrap skirt. It's an absolutely amazing way to reuse your jeans. And lastly, but certainly not least, take all those jeans, especially your stretchy ones. Now this one, you can absolutely do it with non-stretchy jeans and that A-line that was our inspiration, but I used stretchy denim and I made this absolutely snatched to the gods denim dress that is like 4 tones and it's color blocked, and oh, I absolutely love the way this one came out. It has a zipper up the front, it has the jumper straps over the shoulders, and it's just amazing. I know you guys can't pick just one, but let me know all of your favorites in the description box, and for a whole nother set of denim upcycles. Yes, a whole other set of 15 more denim upcycles. Check this link right here. And I have new videos for you every Thursday and every Saturday at 9 a.m. So definitely subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And I have a whole host of other videos for you right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you in the next one. Bye.